am at my hair salon. I'm going in today to readjust my hair extensions, so I thought I'm gonna take you guys inside. I wanna introduce you to my hairstylist, answer questions about hair extensions. I discovered this method about a year ago, and it's my favorite. It looks so natural. The color is customized, it looks natural. Every time I post that I have hair extensions, everyone's like, what? You have hair extensions? How does that work? So I wanna take you in. Let's go. I'm gonna show you the whole process. All right, guys, this is my hairstylist, Rachel. She does my extensions, color, cut, everything. And today we're gonna show you how I wear my hair extensions. What's different about these?
I feel like with the hand-tied extensions, they kind of fall in places that other extensions don't fall. We're all kind of missing hair in the front. They kind of fall all the way forward, and then like mine. You know, you don't have to put a ton in. You can just get a little bit of volume with a couple wefts.
Yeah. So it comes like this on this row.
So this is the 3 put together.
And then there's all these different colors. So you match it to your hair color, but then she customizes it and blends it into the root. So it matches perfect.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm not going for length really with my extensions. I'm just going for that fullness because I have very fine, like almost like baby fine hair. And so when I pull it up, there's just not a lot, right? So I use it to give me bulk, but not over. I don't want it to look, I really don't want anyone to know that I don't want it to look like I have hair extensions in. I feel like there's this myth with hair extensions that they break your hair, they're really damaging. Remember the first time I met you and I had all these questions because I was worried that if I put these in that it would break my hair.
And if they're done improperly, they will.
Right.
So I feel like you have to do your research, who you're going to, how much practice they've had.
And I think a lot of it is taking care of it at home, which you really taught me how to do.
We build the track with beads and string, and we take square sections, enough hair to create a good padding. So we build our own track all the way around the head from point to point. We like to go a little bit forward so they get that fullness in the front of their hair. Kind of when we all need extra hair in there, most of us at least. Kind of is like a little cushion that we kind of sew through. So it's not hanging on just like too little of hair or too much of hair. We don't want the hair to be pulling from too many different directions, and just keep it like nice and tidy, and so it doesn't feel too painful, like tight, nothing like that. Just give it a little bounce. So then I'm gonna take the hair and lay them on the tracks. And for Michaela, we have 3 wefts that we're gonna put back in. We kind of put anywhere between 3 to 6 wefts on a track. Any more than that would be a little bit too heavy. We already took this hair out of her head, so she's used this a couple times. And
we're just moving them up.
We're just moving them up. And the moving them up is kind of the same process as putting them in initially. The only difference is that when we put in the extensions on the original appointment, we typically will melt the root with a toner just to kind of help it blend in with their natural hair tone.
Because the quality of this hair is gorgeous.
It's the best quality hair we've ever used. I've been doing hair extensions for 10 plus years, but I've been doing this method for about 2 years. And this company, Covet & Main, came out probably within like the last year, and it's just...
It looks so natural. Yeah. It feels natural.
So silky.
And one thing that I've noticed is after I've had them in for a month or so, I try to move my hair extensions up every 6 weeks or so. It doesn't look frizzy. It still looks healthy.
Yeah, it's just kind of like another level, I feel like, of quality.
The hair is in. You can see that she just sewed everything in my hair, right?
Yeah.
And normally at this stage, we would color my hair. We put the foils in, but we're not going to do that today. I don't really need color, and I don't like to overdo it if I don't have to. So that's pretty much the process, right?
Yeah. That is pretty much it.
And it's comfortable. I remember the very first time I did this, and I went home. I think I took an Advil or something the first day because it feels kind of tight. But now I'm so used to it. And after you have them in for a couple weeks, it gets more comfortable.
Yeah, and I feel like the only thing, the first night, maybe first 2 nights, you just, because it's snug in there, it's not even like it hurts, it's just like tight, right? And then you kind of just can't find the right place to put your head when you're trying to sleep. But
yeah, you get used to it.
Literally really one night, you're good. For hair extensions, it's super important to keep them hydrated. Whenever you're shampooing, you want to shampoo your scalp. You don't necessarily want to shampoo your hair because that'll help dry it out. So you want to shampoo your scalp and condition your mids to ends.
Yes. I think one of the main things about having hair extensions for me is that I can't really put my hair up anymore. So there's that, you know? You can't pull your hair up without it seeing it.
It just depends. Some people can.
Some people can't. I can't.
I know. It's because you have like a little base of a head to like work with in the first place, and then your hair's fine, right?
Yeah.
So I'm kind of the same way too. I have a lot more hair than you do in here. I think maybe if I had one row, I could put it up, but like I think sometimes with the darker hair, it's a little easier. You can't really see that.
you can't see it.
But if my hair is in a ponytail, you can see it because my hair's so fine.
Yeah.
That there's like other people have thicker hair.
Yeah. So
it just covers it
that's
so
an
much
advantage.
better.
If you have thicker hair and you have extensions, you can put your hair up in a ponytail.
Yeah.
Like for me.
But with your like really fine blonde hair and your natural color is so light too,
you see everything.
You see everything.
Yeah.
So,
Looks so good.
this is it, finished
I love
product. So pretty.
You see, the extensions are under there, but once you style it, you can't see it. Looks so good, so natural, blended, and it doesn't feel heavy. It feels light.
Super light, especially with one row for fullness. I love it.
I know, I love it. Thank you so much. Thanks for having us.
Of course, I'm so happy to have you guys.
I think I covered everything, so if you have any questions, drop me a comment below. We are here for you. I will leave Rachel's Instagram account on there as well. That's originally how I found her. There's tons of inspiration, so many different types of hair, different colors of hair that she does this type of hair extension. And also, if you're not in the Bay Area and you can't come down and see her or someone on her team for a consultation, they do this type of method all over the country. So I'll leave that information as well. And the curling iron, because I love the curls or the types of waves that she gives to my hair. I'll link everything below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you soon. Bye.